In this video, we will see how to add 3D models into Meta Horizon desktop editor. So here is the editor. Okay, you have to click here on Add New. Then you select 3D model. You click on Choose Files. And you import a file. For example, an FBX. Here you have to turn off this setting. Otherwise, you would have an error. And then you click on Import. It will take a while, and then it will appear here in the assets. And you can add it into your Word. It will take a while, but in the end, you will have it. So here it added 3 3D models. That was the content of the FBX file. So it was not just 1, but 3. They don't have the textures, but I guess you can add them later. But anyway, you will find them here in the hierarchy and here in the 3D scene. And with this button over here, you can rotate the 3D models. You can move them. You can scale them over here. So that's it. That's an easy way to import 3D models.